12-year-old girl allegedly set ablaze by the employer dies at Raha. 2 persons arrested. UHM threatens to stop BOP construction in Umkirmi. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jirbon Kilingpi, bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. In an incident which had shaken the entire Karbi Anglong on Thursday, a 12-year-old girl, Sumila Ronghangpi, was allegedly burned to death at Raha by the owners of the house she was staying as a domestic helper. The people of the hill districts and the local residents of Raha have strongly condemned the heinous act and had demanded strong action against the 2 culprits arrested by the police. Sumila was the daughter of Sarthe Ronghang and Basa Pikropi of Kudam village under Duar Amla constituency. The incident occurred on Thursday. The teenager girl had been living in Raha in the house of one Prakash Borthakur for a long 5 years. She had been brought to Raha on the pretext of making her go to school. Who would have imagined that a girl who had been helping the family in all household works would have to meet such end? Prakash Borthakur and his son Nayan Moni Borthakur allegedly set her ablaze on Thursday, leaving the girl's family and the entire state of Assam in a big shock. The incident was first discovered by neighbor and was immediately informed to the police. The news soon went viral in social media, after which several organizations leaders from Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong rushed to Raha, the house of the accused.
Yesterday, one incident happened here. A 12-year minor girl named Sumila Ronghangpi has been brutally murdered by a person named. He's a resident of this Raha place. I'm here at this place. Behind me, there is a house. This is the house of the culprit who has killed that 12-year minor girl. She is very innocent. She has been living here for 5 years. But I don't know how this incident happened. How these two, the father and the son, has brutally murdered this little girl. So today, all people around here is all gathered here to take justice from the authority, government, that very as soon as possible they should get justice, because you see a small girl, very innocent girl, how could she be brutally murdered? That is it's one number question. So we came here to see, to show all the people that you see that our girls are not safe here in Assam. You see in every all part of India, what is going on about the girls? They are not safe. So from
Locals went on to charge that the minor girl was brutally tortured before being shot to death. The villagers also termed the inhuman act as highly condemnable, and it was a disgrace for the entire society. Local circle officer S.K. Nath also said that the girl was likely tortured before being killed. The body had been taken for post-mortem, whose report was still awaited at the time of filing this report.
ছোৱালীজনীৰ ওপৰত নিৰ্যাতন হৈছে। এই সংক্ৰান্তত পুলিচে ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যন চলাই আছে আৰু 2জন অভিযুক্তক অলৰেডি গ্ৰেপ্তাৰ কৰিছে আৰু তেওঁলোকক আদালতত লৈ গৈছে। পোষ্টমৰ্টেম ছোৱালীগৰাকী কৰা হৈছে, ৰিপৰ্টটো আমি এতিয়াও পোৱা নাই আৰু তাৰ পৰৱৰ্তী কাৰ্যপন্থা তেওঁলোকৰ পুলিচৰ অনুসন্ধানৰ ওপৰত ভিত্তি কৰি পেলাই লোৱা হ'ব। ধন্যবাদ।
Angry and furious, the local residents on Friday harrowed the house of the accused, and police had to resort to lathi charge to disperse them. They had strongly demanded for heavy punishment to the culprits. Meanwhile, an FIR in this connection was registered under IPC Section 120B and IPC Section 302 was registered with Raha Police Station on Thursday itself, an investigation into the death of the minor girl. However, the main culprit, Nayan Moni Borthakur, pleaded not guilty. He claimed that the incident took place while he and his father was in the sitting room watching TV. His mother was not at home, so they thought that the girl was doing work somewhere in the house. He also told that they were alerted about the burning by the neighbors.
মই টিচিএছত কাম কৰোঁ তাৰপৰা মোৰ নাইট শ্বিফ্ট থাকে নাইট শ্বিফ্ট মানে সন্ধিয়া 5টাৰ পৰা 3টালৈকে ৰাতিপুৱা থাকে মই ৰাতিপুৱা ধৰি লওক উঠোঁতে 11টা 11:30 বাজে আৰু মই 11:30 উঠিলোঁ তেতিয়ালৈকে তাই ঘৰৰ কাম বন কৰি চব আজৰি হ'ল মই উঠাৰ পিছত তাই ঘৰৰ বাচন কালি খোৱা বাচন আছিলে বাচনকেইটা ধুলে তাৰপৰা কাপোৰ কানি ধুলে চোতাল চব মুচিলে ঘৰ চব মুচিলে মোক দুটা কুকুৰ পৰি আছে এটা মানে অকণ ইনফেকশ্যন হৈ আছে এটা কুকুৰ পোৱালি খানা চানা খোৱালে খুৱাই পেলাই টেবলেটো খোৱালে মলমো সানি দিলে সানি পিছত দেউতাই ভাত খালে ভাত দেউতাই ক'লে ভাত নাখাওঁ নেকি কৈছে বোলে মই ভাত নাখাওঁ ভোক লগা নাই তাৰপৰা দেউতাই ক'লে ঠিক আছে নাখাওঁ নালাগে তাৰপৰা দেউতাই খালে তাৰপিছত মই খালোঁ মই দেউতাই খোৱা বাচনকেইটা ধুলে তাৰপিছত মই ৰহালৈ গ'লোঁ ৰহালৈ এই পেণ্টটোৱে সেই চোলাটো পিন্ধি গৈছিলোঁ তাৰপৰা আহি পেলাই লগতে সেই ধুলাই দিলে কৰোণা ভাইৰাছৰ সেইকাৰণে লগতে আহি পেলাই ধুই দিলে তাৰপিছত মই ভাতকেইটা খালোঁ ভাতকেইটা খোৱাৰ পিছত মোক এইখিনি ৰুমতে টিভি চাই বহি আছে দেউতাই মই তাৰপৰা কাম কৰি আছিলোঁ বাহিৰতে মোৰ কাম কৰিছোঁ থাকিব তাত এনেকৈ কৰিব বুলি আমি ভাবাই নাই ইমান আমাৰ ইয়াত 5 বছৰ হৈ গ'ল চতুৰ্থ শ্ৰেণীত মেডিকেল স্কুলত পঢ়ায় তাৰপৰা এনেকৈ ইহঁতৰ ঘৰ মানে এই চুকটো জ্বলিছেতো আমি এইফালৰ পৰা দেখা পোৱা নাই আৰু চিঞৰ বাখৰো নাই কৰা তাৰপৰা এই ইহঁতৰ ঘৰৰ লগত আমাৰ মাত বোল নাই তাৰমানে এই মানুহ ঘৰ এই ছাইডৰ এইখিনি সিফালে অলপ মানুহ ঘৰ অলপ ফোন কৰিলে সিহঁতৰ কিবা জ্বলা লিখা কিবা আহিছে এনেকৈ তাৰপৰা সেই আহিলে আহি পেলাই বোলো বোলো আমাৰ ইয়াততো কোনো নাই তেনেকৈ কাৰণ আমাৰ দেউতাৰ মই আছোঁ মাহঁত নাই মা নগাঁৱলৈ আছে তাৰপৰা বোলো তেনে নাই তাৰপৰা পঠিয়াই দিলোঁ তাৰপিছত মই এনেকৈ ওলাই মিলি ছোৱালীজনো মিলি মাতিছোঁ শুনা নাই তাই মই এইখিনি লগতে কেৰাচিনৰ গোন্ধ পালোঁ তাৰপৰা মই দৈ গোটেইখন চলে তাক নাপালোঁ তাৰপৰা আহি পেলাই এইফালে চাওঁতে দেখিছোঁ তেনেকৈ হেৰি কৰি আছে মানে যেনেকৈ সেৱা যেনেকৈ লয় তেনেকৈ হেৰি কৰি আছে কেৰাচিন তেল তাৰপিছতহে দেউতালৈ ক'লোঁ দেউতাই ক'লোঁ নহয় লগতে ৰহা পুলিচ থানালৈ যা বোলো তেতিয়ালৈ মানুহ মৰিল তেতিয়ালৈ হেৰি হ'ল
Earlier on Friday afternoon, several Karbi organizations, including the KSA and All India Tribal Association and people of the area, condemned the incident and staged protests to demand impartial and high-level inquiry into the case and be taken up in fast-track court for swift justice to the victim's family.
La banggalangli phan ladak ke do hem khuatum la simet pet pranar mudet puse kadu beta chithan holo la sojok si pin tum ka biruchali asong tum samela dak wang pen nang humri dulo la bendu nang humri pen ni tum dc phan se tamel tum pinpura lo pikang lo la non la so pran ke nam nang ju bang aphan la kep la bang so hem amali ke bang compensation pinai puse tum tok dak pen la dc phan pinpura lo pajir kang lo eba la sojok pin dak kadu ka ve ka benglong pen ke bang kape asong tum samela cherap dundu la solong Assam along ke dua song tum sitame asu pendanglo tribal sangha la pente Tiwa Students Union AJYCP lapso na thak se kapre ka song tum samini tum na chirap dun pen pini la bangso ki pho bang pi afan matela so family afan justice mate nyay ka pilong ye pan dum ka do chingrum pet pe che song pilo ase pin la bang আমি অল ইন্ডিয়া ট্রাইবেল স্টুডেন্ট এসোসিয়েশন আসামৰ ফালৰ পৰা এই যিটো ঘটনা ঘটিলে যি মৰ্মান্তিক ঘটনা ঘটিলে ইয়াৰ যি দুখী ই অতি সোনকালে ফাষ্ট ট্ৰেকত আনি ইয়াৰ সুবিচাৰ হ'ব লাগে আৰু এই সুবিচাৰৰ দ্বাৰা যি ভুক্তভোগী তাইৰ মানে আত্মা শান্তি পাব বুলি আমি অনুভৱ কৰোঁ আৰু ই এটা এজনী জনজাতীয় ছোৱালীৰ যেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ এটা মানে তাইৰ জীৱনৰ পৰিসমাপ্তি ঘটিলে এইটো মানে ভাষাৰে বা আমি কথাৰে আমি বুজাব নোৱাৰোঁ আৰু আমি ইয়াৰ যিখিনি জনসাধাৰণ আছে তেওঁলোকৰ খুব আমি দেখা পাইছোঁ আৰু আমাৰ অল ইণ্ডিয়া ট্ৰাইবেল ষ্টুডেণ্ট এছ'চিয়েশ্যন আসামৰ উপৰি বিভিন্ন কাৰ্বি সংগঠনৰ লিডাৰসকলে ইয়াতে আহিছে আৰু আমি সকলোৱে দাবী কৰিছোঁ যে 5 তাৰিখ আদালতত আনিব লাগে আৰু অতি সোনকালে শীঘ্ৰেই দোষী মানে শাস্তি প্ৰদান কৰিব লাগে থেংক ইউ
The incident had been gained immense attention from across the hill districts of Karbi Anglong since Thursday night, and thousands of individuals had also termed it murder and has demanded strongest punishment against the owner of the house. Social organizations including KSA, KSU and KSYC had on Friday held a condolence meet, while regional political party APHLC also held a condolence and protest demonstration program to demand justice for the family of the dead victim at 10 a.m. on Friday at Samson Singh Memorial Park in Dipu. In addition to this, several students and organizations have also held at different places across the districts to express their solidarity on the case and condolence to the victim's family. AJYCP also held candlelight program in Bokajan on Friday evening, where the leaders also expressed their grief, shock and condemnation and has demanded swift justice and strongest punishment of the owner.
Karbi Anglongor asile boli ami gom paiso dukhia ghorer suale ei Prakash Bar Thakure তেখেতৰ ঘৰতৰ পৰা আনি পেলাই ছোৱালীজনী শিক্ষা দীক্ষাত দি পঢ়ুৱাই ডাঙৰ দীঘল কৰিম বুলি তেওঁলোকে প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দি পেলাই আনিছিলে বুলি আমি গম পাইছোঁ। কিন্তু উল্টাই প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতিৰ ঠাইত আজি ছোৱালীজনীৰ দুখৰ বিষয় যে ঘৰলৈ মৃত সৰি যাবলগীয়া হৈছে। সেইকাৰণে চৰকাৰক পুনৰবাৰ দাবী জনাইছোঁ আকৌ আমি তৎকালীনভাৱে এৰেষ্ট কৰিছে যদিও পুনৰ তেখেতক আদালত জেলত হাজতত ৰাখি পেলাই পৰৱৰ্তী তেখেতক ফাঁচি দিবৰ বাবে আমি দাবী জনাইছোঁ।
Ground report by Nitura Tronghang, Anantirang from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. In a report that has come from West Karbi Anglong, a youth group from Meghalaya obstructed the construction of a BOP at Unkirmi in the interstate border area. This incident had once again raised the issue of disrespect to rules by the people from Meghalaya. A group of United Hindu Tribe movement youth from Meghalaya arrived and forced the officials of Assam government to stop construction of the BOP at Unkirmi till Meghalaya government agrees upon it. The incident took place under Jirikinding police station in West Karbi Anglong district. The UHM members from Meghalaya side came to the construction site and asked the workers to leave the place immediately. They also threatened of dire consequence if they continue the construction work. The incident took place on Friday night and the miscreants had already left when team of police led by Mukoilam outpost in church reached the spot.
Karbi Anglong Live from the Nilihin pen, FCJ Hoy pen the Churu Pilo, Athila Dak, Alangli, Bangso, Down Kermi Hawar Long, touching Honda Jok Selangli, Bang Sikota Melangi, that one to meet airport. Suri Kadope Rabbit. That's a hoglo, Penangli Puro Dak, Meghalaya Sol, the Meghalaya Chomang to that Kermi Biopilo, the Bafoi Kimbo Malonganatum, Nankating Kangum, not an Kangum. Ang kaya lang tumkiwang ke ahok etke litum dak kermiaro alang tuma ke mesa na pan tulek matha puson dalang litum bang information pinang dak thigiding tum phandak rong sar mi FGB lo pente non skim chora ka sar mante gamra tamedo alang litum manda information pipe ni phanda information am pipe men dak wang siladak BOP lo alang tum la pleki ik pente ang puja chipung lo ana puja la so pleki ik lo la pleki ik chipung lo pedang hoden na max tamia iglo la tum chelo gai si dak bang la dak nang som tan dan ok nang som lo kasi nilitum ke ningduk lo athai ku kuma apong sane la bang so UP ku tha nang ki pridu la se nilihin pen SGB hoy mate daun khemnya rong pen arat ni ko saben na tin li non kar team kar biang lo ton han sila bang so problem ang ke immediately
Sources say tension and a kind of fear psychosis is brewing among the people living in the border. However, no untoward incident has taken place till filing of this report. Samsing in this report from Jirikinding for Karbi Anglong Live. At least 40 houses were severely damaged by storm which hit inside Jirikinding area on Thursday in West Karbi Anglong district. Our correspondent has sent us this report. The houses that were damaged were reported from Unkirmi and Charchim village falling under the Jirikinding police station on Thursday. Though the extent of damages have not yet been assessed but was stated to be diverse including roof or wall, while some were completely damaged. The huge damage to properties of villagers were reported including solar panels of several families including of Karbi film actress Hevali Teronpi.
Thidunga kisung ge pho pula sikupi ko samben nang tum kisung ge pholong polo da mediang no nang li lam than panjima
ahong lo li Karbi long lai hin peta neli hin pen churulo athema nel tum piniani ipai ani anarlu chitim baye hinira ibeng molom pen men tumon kalango rongarlu nang lucok tumon hiwer lasinelitum arong akisung lake nelitum hem nuksan ulo lapen tin lapen jud office lapen solar kadu awita hingolap lo lapen nelitum ason kaluksan dupik lo lasi nalitum Karbi Anglong tim afan kachuningri lapen nelitum Kermi arong aratum afan koson ben manang tum prabjing pen nelitum fan ne ingin sutha lapen nanglang thap nelitum nelihin pen rong asar hui pen nang fan Karbi Anglong timatum fan tuning rik lo.
Locals also informed that the roof of the majority of affected families have been blown away during the storm which hit the area. Luckily, no human injuries or casualties were reported at the time of filing this report.
Nilihin nili ladak khermi SGB ahin pe sinili non ladak Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council team atum phan kachuningri alam thegela pheno lasimu pen het nili kithan pon tang la bangso e don phong kep ra suse la bangso dak non tumon la bangso tumon lang nu kever along ki phudu na tum phan pine akerap nang tum pen pipon jipo kusi chuningri lo la pen de tuwa da me chulang lo nang tum prapjin pen na komri ji phanse nili SBI hin pen da me nang tum phan chuningri par pig lo.
However, several families whose houses were completely flattened or roofs were blown away are currently facing extreme problems like cooking and sleeping, as rebuilding will take some time as many require money for rebuilding. Meanwhile, several affected families also informed Karbi Anglong Life that many of the betel nut trees, coconut, sting bean trees and other trees that have also been planted in their orchards have also either been uprooted or broken due also created blockade along the roads at several locations but have later been cleared by the villagers.
Apora dange bajihini rangbeng maloma por sila so tumon thepu ki wang lo puna thwa khor ni tum hema thwa khor bang si wang ju ma sinil tum hem bang ke ang to na hem ta o ik jab le jo i ama si thanga ja ta non do thaya ve pin lo
Jalan mai sini.
ma sa hem ta ekdom ardu amara taran ta ekdom war bir thang ta ve lo jo hin tum hem be thang ta ve lo
ta bang ke thang ti eng le hem lo di
ing leng hen ni lo
bo
mo honing leng po hem lo
Asa ithe nang li ko pyo ki pu kan tu pinun thatta
lili ki pugang tu bang na son lo amat hem ka hin no bang ta ka du ve ta non la video long ta thei long po photo long ta amat lili ka ki pugang tu bang ke sarkar pe na ke rap si lili bang ke chuar i lo ke nang ji a the bang ka ni tum ta tong su ko ta ni tum ta chi kim tong ai the lo hem pi la tu bang ta ang tong ting si ekdom jabang bang lo la puna thu ta la pa khor bang ta vek pin ar nama mi ki do arung bang ke thang ta vek der lo asinili la sarkar pen pustame Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen niltuma MSC na terang pi baidu pen cheng lo kadu ka ve phanta ni chuning lik lo aswa hem nang ke rap je phan ke avar sai nang ke pi je phan bang ni li chuning bi gang tu.
Several affected families have also urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for the assistance in times of their difficulties. Samsing Intis report from Jirikindeng for Karbi Anglong Live. The religious ceremony of Goddess Lukhimi Yangli, or the Goddess of Wealth and Prosperity, celebrated once in every 5 years by the Tiwas, was concluded on Friday. NC Hills Autonomous Council Nityaranjan Dole, Tiwa Autonomous Council Deputy CM Tulsi Bordoloi, local MAC Dominic Upin Maslai, and several noted guests and social workers including Imlang Lumpui, Krishno Madar and Probin Singh Maslai also attended the festival. During the festival, people of Umswai Valley, especially the Amsai Pinung and neighboring villages of Amsai Pinung actively participate with offerings and sacrifices. This offering and sacrifices will be done by the Loro, Doloi and other members of the Pisai as practice from old generation. Hemari Rongpar's report from Umswai for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.